Subscribe to Shiksha Online and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello students, our today's lesson is marketing communication, and in this session we would be discussing about the introduction to the concept, objective and importance of the marketing communication, modes of marketing communication, the communication process and developing effective communication. So let us first understand, let's have a brief introduction about marketing communication. It is composed of two words, marketing, that we have already covered. Marketing is the process of approaching the final consumer with your product in simple terms, and how we give this message, how we make the consumer aware about our product and services and what benefits our product gives to the consumer. This is communication. So put together these two form marketing communication. Our next topic is objective and importance of marketing communication. Let us first understand why we need to communicate to the customer about our product or service. First reason or first point is behavior modification. This communication actually brings a change in the behavior of the customer. How? You often come across a new product or a service or a brand through a television commercial or a radio commercial or a newspaper advertisement. It starts a thinking process in your mind that whether you need the product or would this product be beneficial to you. So what we are doing here as a marketer, we are bringing a change in your behavior, thinking, your mindset. Then second objective is to inform the customer. Customer is not aware, will not dream that there is a new product in the market. So the objective is to inform them that such product is available from such a manufacturer at this particular purchase point. So the customer comes to know about the product through marketing communication. Then third objective is to persuade the customer. When the customer is already aware about the product, is interested in the product, but maybe for some reason or the other is not convinced with the product. So communication process helps the customer to get convinced, or in turn plays the role of a marketer to persuade the customer to buy the product. At times, it also so happens that the customer is using the product over a period of time, but then somehow because of competition forgets the product. So our fourth objective is to remind the customer, that is reminder objective. Continuous advertisements keep the customer aware and reminded of the products, their favorite products, so they keep on buying them because a continuous reminder is coming through marketing communication. Apart from that, our next objective or the fifth objective is specific objective. Many times marketers also have some specific objective with which they create a marketing communication. For example, for non-profit organizations, the objective is to create an awareness about a project, maybe a pulse polio project or an education program. So this could also be a specific objective for a particular marketer. Now let us understand how we communicate. So our next topic is modes of marketing communication. They are also the elements of promotion mix. Our first element is advertising. What is advertising? You all come across a lot of advertisements. It's a paid form of communication wherein an identified sponsorer approaches a media and promotes his or her product through that media. For this, the sponsorer pays the media to spread their message. Advertisement can be through television, through radio, through newspapers. Nowadays, social media advertising is quite popular. Our second mode is personal selling. When I say personal selling, doesn't mean door-to-door selling. Personal selling means there is a sales force. A company keeps a sales force which approaches the customer and gives the sales presentation to convince the customer through relationship building. Our third tool is sales promotion. A sales promotion activity is the one wherein the exact objective is to increase the sales of a particular product. A period of time is given wherein if the product is bought by the customer, he or she gets good discounts, offers, schemes, or buy one get one free kind of thing. Then fourth mode is public relations. This is the new form of promotion. Nowadays companies are vying on this. You must have observed on television celebrities coming on reality shows like Kapil Sharma show, wherein they come up and promote about their upcoming movies. This type of activity is known as public relation, wherein the company or the brands try to make a good relations with the audience in general. A point to remember over here is that public relations is not directly paid for like advertising. It's an indirect way of approaching the audience. Our fifth tool or fifth mode is direct marketing, wherein the company directly approaches the customer. Direct marketing can be through social media, through blogs, through email marketing, even flyers, circulars, or catalog marketing also comes under the ambit of direct marketing. Now the next topic we need to understand is how this whole process starts. So our next topic is the communication process.